Alright guys, back again with another video, so let's get right into it. So like we talked about last episode, we're going to do external style sheets now, or external CSS. So to get started, we need to make a new file here, and we're going to call this styles.css. It doesn't matter what you name in the front, oops, too many S's. Doesn't matter what you name in the front, but it has to have the ending .css. And if you don't know by now, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, okay? So anyway, let's make a style. So just like before, we can do, let's see, h1, color, lava, is that a color? I don't know. And then font size, oops, font size, and we'll say 50 pixels, okay? So excuse me, reload, and nothing will happen, right? That is because we didn't link it to this. We have to apply it to that, okay? So how to do that, we gotta do link, rel, that means relative or whatever, and then source, and inside okay, we'll do relative source. So we'll say style sheet. Wait, no. Okay. So here's a shortcut to do it. If you have Emmet, which is a add-on, just do link and then tab. So it'll have that. So instead of source, it's href. Excuse me. Anyway, so yeah, that's easier if you don't want to type all that out. But anyway, so it's link rel equals style sheet, and then the href, which is the source, the path of it, where to find it. So we'll do, it's right here, right? Oops. It's right there, so we'll do styles.css because it's right there inside of this directory. So, okay, now if we reload, it'll do that. But we didn't have a lava color, that's not really a color, so we'll do red. That's a color. There you go, so there's red. Okay, so let's try doing classes one more time. Or like, as I like to say, one more again. And so we'll name this cool2. Just give it a new name, you know, keep it fresh. Cool2, oops, cannot spell. Cool2, and then we'll give it background color. Oops, gosh, I cannot type. Background color, yellow. What the heck? That's really weird. Background color. Alright, so there we go. So if we reload that. Oh, what? Cool2. Cool2, background color, yellow. What? Alright, so I reloaded it and now we have the yellow background. It says because the class right here that we made for our h3 right here. So the very useful thing about this having an external style sheet is so that we don't have to go to each and every file that we want to change the style for and edit it one by one. We could just apply one style to every file basically. So to do that, we have this, right? So all you gotta do is copy this into every file that you want to apply that style sheet to. So let's go ahead and make a new folder. File, I mean. Okay, so we got that. And we'll have some HTML. Okay, we'll put a h1 tag. Put a h3 tag. Okay, then we'll have a class of cool2. Then we'll have the style sheet. Okay, so if we go here, and we can open this up. There we go. See? So that's our style. So it applies to every thing that you add to, right? So also, if you look inside the folder, it has a cascading style sheet file. So now we know. So CSS is recognized even by your computer, right? So if we could open this, oh, okay. Well, anyway, doesn't matter. So that's that. And yeah, it's really cool. And just play around with it. I'm gonna teach you some more stuff that you can add to styles, right? This is just the basics on how to apply styles, basically. And the most common way is using external because it allows you to use, you know, multiple files to edit and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it, and leave a comment if you need help. Peace.
Fingers trace your every outline. Oh yeah, yeah. Paint a picture with my hands. Oh, and back and forth we sway like branches in a storm. together, still together when it ends.